Who do you think you talking to? No, he's been mine forever. Dab on you.
Tell me, princess, now when did you last? Come on.
What? Bitch? Hell no, bitch, hold my hair.
Actually are afraid of her. They know who she is. They know she gives big hits, scores a lot of touchdowns.
Girl, that's my top.
Smack that bitch. Smack that bitch.
When you go to take a poop.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
A lot of women don't know they ratchet, so I'm about to help y'all out. If two of your baby daddies locked up, you keep it hot and ready, you ratchet.
So what's your name?
Shaquisha.
Wait, what?
Shaquisha.
Like, what was your mama one where she had you?
Can I use Amazon now to hire a man to rub my feet? That would be so luxurious.
Fuck with us, don't fuck with us, don't fuck with
People are sending me mental health hotlines, but honey, don't worry about me. I got those numbers on speed dial.
Run the train, cause I believe in teamwork. And I was told the teamwork make the dream work.
Your girl Chicana looks letting you know, if you have two boyfriends, that just means your heart's too big for one man to handle. You know, fool? Corazón.